All right, everybody, easy way to strip your wires prior to making a connection when you're doing a 12-volt install. I'm using this vice grip. It's called an auto stripper. And what it's good for, it has a simple cutter in it, some crimp things on the bottom. We don't pay attention to that. Sometimes there's a tool piece on the bottom to limit the length of wire. There's also a little screw on the bottom. All the way in is for when you're doing real thin gauge wire. You can actually back this screw out when you're doing bigger pieces of wire, 10 gauge, 14 gauge. But all we really need to do is lay this wire inside of the tool like such. I'm not going to strip it all the way. I'm just going to strip a little bit of it like that. I'm going to do it again. A little bit right there. And last but not least, a little bit right there. The reason being is I can grab this and twist it before I put my connector in, so I don't have to sit there and keep wasting time going through and twisting all this wire up. As you can see, it's ready to go.